Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to build Copper Golem Easy Guide. Start by placing 2 copper blocks vertically, then add a pumpkin head facing outward to complete the body. Make sure the base blocks are placed on solid ground and not suspended. Use a tool to polish or wax the copper to control oxidation and appearance. Test activation by exposing the golem to water or rain to observe movement and effects. Gather the materials before you start building to avoid interruptions and misplaced blocks. You will need 2 copper blocks and a pumpkin that can serve as the head. Keep a tool handy to wax or scrape oxidation when you want to preserve or restore shiny copper. Choose a stable, flat spot so the golem can move freely without falling. Having everything ready saves time and keeps the build smooth and fun. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a compact device that plays music, answers questions, and sets timers while you build. It pairs nicely with workshop playlists and voice commands to keep hands free during construction. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Build slowly and deliberately so you get the correct alignment and a functioning golem at first try. Stack 2 copper blocks vertically, then place the pumpkin head on the upper block face so it attaches properly. Stand back and introduce water or wait for rain to see the golem move and interact with the environment. Adjust wax or scrape oxidation to change appearance and longevity. Enjoy watching your copper creature roam and spark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.